Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today's video is going to be an apartment tour. I recently moved into a small studio apartment along with my cat, so the apartment that you're about to see is the one I just moved out of and lived in for almost 2 years. I still wanted to make this video regardless of the fact that I no longer live here. I have really loved living into this place with my ex-partner, and I think that overall he and I made a really good job at decorating it. The place was roughly 55 square meters and we had a mix of new, thrifted, and DIY. In my opinion, we managed to create a simple yet welcoming space that could show our personalities. I'm going to start this tour with a room that you have seen a bit of already, the bedroom. This is where I did most of my filming when living here. As you can see, we kept it pretty simple. We left the walls white and bare to help keep the place relaxing and as less distracting as possible. No wardrobe, but we just had a clothing rack and a small dresser each. Then the bed, with drawers underneath for storage, and 2 small DIY nightstands. In front of the bedroom, there's the living room, my favorite room of the apartment since it was the biggest and most luminous and bright. This is where our personality was expressed the most, since we had wall art, posters, books, pictures, and the corner dedicated to our cat. We didn't have a lot of furniture in here, but still have managed to create a small living room corner as well as a dining corner when we had guests coming over that we could also turn into a sort of office space or office table when needed. The kitchen wasn't very big and we didn't have a lot of space for furniture and cabinets, so we decided to keep an open concept. A foldable table that could help us save space, and some second-hand shelves that could function both as pantry and storage for our utensils. The bathroom as well wasn't particularly big, actually pretty narrow, so we kept it furniture and knick-knack free. The washing machine with a small basket on top to store medicines and various bathroom essentials, the shower with our few products, and a small built-in shelf for our toiletries is all we needed for storage. We hung our towels on the radiator and had our laundry hamper in the corner. I'm not going to go too much into detail with this, but between the bedroom and the living room, we had a tiny but super useful closet where we could store various supplies, such as recycling bins, cat stuff, cleaning supplies, etc. It doesn't look super organized, but this is where we stored everything we didn't really have a place for and wanted to keep hidden. Finally, here's the entranceway / hallway. Except for a small coat rack for our jackets, a shelf / shoe rack underneath, and a basket, it was furniture free. Now, I'm going to give you some realness. We didn't have any other space to dry our clothes, so whenever we did laundry, this is where our drying rack would go. And here's how the hallway looks like with the drying rack in it. for a more in-depth glimpse into this apartment, where the furniture did come from, etc., make sure to check the link to my blog post in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.